Hello and welcome to this new video about programming Python in blocks. You will find the full list on the description below. Today we will see the for loops block. The concept of a loop will allow us to repeat instructions in a number of times that we will decide. Here I will make a program that to display 7 times the message hello world. This is the parameter for the number of times. Now I will execute my program. And as you can see, the message was displayed 7 times. It is also possible that the user chooses the number of time. Here, I will make a program that reads that number of times and display the hello message. I will replace this parameter by the variable. And this is the result. Now I will show a different block that makes the same loop. The new thing about it is the counter inside. You can also decide a starting and ending number and the step between every iteration. Here I will make the regular program. It is also possible to use the counter inside the loop. I will use it to display the number of lines. So it's basically a variable. Now I will change the step. And as you can see, the loop is incremented by 2 in every iteration. When you have a loop of 10 iterations, you are not always obliged to make them all. It's possible to skip out of the loop with the breakout block. Here, I will make a program that will leave the iteration when the counter reaches 5. And as you can see, the iteration until 10 was not executed in total, but only until 5. Now I will make a program that displays the sum of numbers between 1 and 10 using the loop. The sum here will be initialized to 0. In every iteration, I will add to it the counter. After the loop, I will display the result. And this is the result. Now I will modify the program so the user will decide the max number. And here we are. I hope that you liked the video and see you soon. Bye.